Hey guys, so today I wanted to show you guys how I created this DIY textured art canvas. I started doing this maybe a few months ago, just for fun. I'm not a professional at it yet, but it was pretty easy to do. It was inexpensive. The canvas was actually donated to me, and then I just bought joint compound and I had, like the application materials, and then I just painted. So it took 2 days to do. Get a little closer.